Well, a crown is a single unit. It just replaces one tooth. A bridge would be used when you're missing teeth and want to fill the gaps that you have. So how do you know if you're a candidate for crown and bridge? It really depends on a number of factors. The health of your gums, the quality of your tooth structure in the first place, and your expectations. Here at 3Dental, we do a full digital smile design, so you can get a good impression of what we can achieve before you've done any dentistry.
So I was thinking of getting some dental work done. I've been looking at, I think it was Budapest and Prague and a few places like that, so I said I'd give them a shot when I came along, and I was quite happy with it. So I went for the bridges, and yeah, they're working very well so far. I've only got them in the last 6 months, but they're grand at the moment and I'm very happy.
When I was a kid, they brought me into hospital. For some reason, took out all my teeth. Just let them grow then, so they just grew into whatever way they wanted. Came to the stage where I had to come here. Got dummy false ones for the top, put in the temporary ones. When I was happy with them, got the real ones made up from them. I'm very happy I did what I did. 3Dental have been absolutely brilliant. So I think it was well worth it, 100%.